Thutha wa kurutwo kwa watho wa kumugiria kuingira wabici yake kiumia githiru, Waititu ni acokete igotini akienda itua riu rigarurwo. Atongoretio ni wakiri wake Professor Tom Ojienda, Waititu ni eteteire akiuga ndari aranyitwo na mahitia, koguo ni agirirwo gucokio wabici na kugerera ati munini wake ndangiruta wira uria ngavana angiruta tondu no mwaka aheo mwerekero ucio ni ngavana.
That you remove the limitations to the first accused accessing his office. He remains innocent under Article 52 of the Constitution. He is entitled to a fair trial.
Mwena wa thitango naguo ni ureganite na riendikithia riu ria Waititu, ukiuga gutiri undu wa kuonania ati ni ahinyiriirio ni itua riu ria igoti na kugerera ati Waititu ni agirirwo kuoywo ta mukenya ungi o wothe.
Governor was placed in custody for 1 month and the county government of Migori operated for that 1 month in his absence. A lady, the first accused, should consider himself very lucky.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Waititu ni orite igoti rinyihanyihia muigana wa bail iria ararekereirio nayo, akiuga milioni 15 ni nyingi muno ciira-ini wa makiria ma milioni 500. Akiuga ati uria urari minister wa kigina Henry Rotich ararekereirio na mbeca o ta icio, no ciira wake urari wa bilioni 60.
The prosecution and the court should not make it hard to comply with the terms of bail set, because the prime importance, Your Lordship, is to secure attendance at trial. This court can review those terms.
Unless, of course, we are being told that they cannot be denied bail, like any other Kenyan, in appropriate cases, then my lady will be setting a very dangerous precedent if you are to entertain that argument.
Oho mwena wa thitango ni wirite igoti ati Waititu agirirwo gukorwo akirihwo mucara nuthu ihinda riri eja wa wabici.
Section 62 subsection 1 should apply strictly. He should be put on half pay, just like the rest of the accused persons. That is a condition I think that the magistrate, by sheer oversight, did not impose.
Kuringana na wakiri wa maundu ma gatiba Bob Mukangi, Waititu ndagirirwo kuingira kana kuruta wira uria uikaine na wabici yake. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, yetagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.